Good afternoon, everyone. As I was walking along the trail, uh, I came across this beautiful, beautiful bird. I don't know the name of it, but it's just singing up on the tree. It was just perching up there and fluffing its feather. And I just have to capture this beautiful, beautiful moment before it flying away. I hope it's gonna stick around for a while, so I can record this precious moment and share with everyone around the world. So I've been following the same bird, and it left the tree, and it ended up landing at the tennis courts. Same bird. It's sitting right at the outside the tennis courts. And it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful bird. And I can even hear it singing. So there you go. Now it's flying and perch on top of the playground. It's just there. It's a beautiful sunny day today, so a lot of people brought their kid out here at the park. As you can see, the playground right next to the tennis courts, and people just enjoy a perfect, beautiful day. As you can see, the kids are running around and get on the swing and the slide, and yeah, everybody would just soak up some sun and ready for the spring, which is next week. Officially, next week is first day of spring, and yep, all the kids were swinging on the swing set. And believe it or not, I ran into my very first barbecue cookout last week right here at this very park. So now it's flying back to the same tree that it was when I found it. So it's flying back and forth from the tennis courts back to the tree. But yeah, I was saying that I came across my very first barbecue cookout right here at this park last week. And you know, somebody was barbecue or grilling some burger, and it smells so good, and unfortunately I did not have a chance to video the cookout because I was in a hurry, but yeah, I look around me and there's signs of spring everywhere. Everywhere I go, I see birds singing on the tree. And I believe I saw the first daffodil the other day. I swear I saw the first daffodil flower. And I thought, wow, this is cool. Yep, here go the bird. It's just hopping from tree to tree. enjoying the sun. This video is for you, Lily. I know you love bird and animal, but especially bird of any kind, so I'm making this video dedicate just for you, and I hope you enjoy my bird video. And I wish I know the name of this bird, but I don't. So I hope you find this video entertaining and distress because I am an outdoor person all my life. I love nature. I love to be connected with nature. I've always spent most of my life outside, outdoor. You know, going to the park, the lake, the beaches and the mountain, and pretty much all my life. So I hope that this short video of the bird will encouraging you and motivate you and your brother Justin to spend more time outside and enjoy, appreciate and enjoy nature and with all that come with nature, and you know, on your way to healthier and happier life, because they actually prove that the more time we spend outside, the happier we become. So yep, scientists have been proved for over you know, many centuries, for over throughout our history, that being exposed to nature is good for us physically, mentally, and emotionally. So, and that's it. That's the message I want to send out today to everyone out there. Please reconnect with nature and everything that come with it. God bless and Buddha blessed.